Get ready to set sail on an enlightening voyage into the heart of sustainable fashion, a revolution that's reshaping our world and altering how we view our closet. As the curtain rises and the lights fade into hues that match the mood and style, the allure of eco-friendly fashion choices, ethical brands, and practical ways to integrate sustainability into our daily dress unveils itself. Observe as spellbinding visuals in perfect harmony with the color palette meld flawlessly with captivating text incantations to narrate a mesmerizing tale. Accompany me as we thread our path toward a wardrobe that genuinely honors our Mother Earth. We commence by elucidating the significance of sustainable fashion in mitigating the fashion industry's detrimental impacts on the environment and laborers. The contest between fast fashion and sustainable fashion, what sets them apart? We'll delve into the environmental and ethical issues linked with fast fashion, all presented in a color palette that enhances the narrative's mood. Subsequently, we'll investigate sustainable and eco-friendly materials employed in clothing, such as organic cotton, hemp, and recycled fabrics. We'll plunge into their advantages and why they are a superior choice for the planet, all the while maintaining a visually captivating color scheme. Following that, let's exhibit and endorse ethical and sustainable fashion brands that resonate with our principles. We'll spotlight both renowned and obscure brands that are affecting a positive change, with the color palette serving to emphasize their significance. Constructing a sustainable wardrobe is simpler than you envisage. We'll proffer practical guidance on how you can transition to a more sustainable closet, encompassing decluttering, thrifting, and investing in enduring pieces, all presented in a soothing and inspiring color palette. But why halt there? We'll also disseminate imaginative DIY and upcycling concepts for garments and accessories. You'll discover how to breathe new life into old items and diminish waste, with the color scheme further enhancing the visual appeal. Maintaining and caring for sustainable fashion pieces is crucial to prolong their lifespan. We'll equip you with eco-friendly fashion hacks and tricks that will assist you in preserving your clothes in excellent condition for longer, all set against a backdrop of colors that perfectly match the mood and style. To conclude, sustainable fashion is more than a fleeting trend. It's a direction towards a more eco-conscious future. I urge you not only to make thoughtful fashion choices, but also to engage further by subscribing, liking, and sharing your journey and thoughts on sustainable fashion in the comments section. Diving deeper into this enchanted realm of sustainable living awaits the inquisitive minds. Remember, your engagement will help spread the message of eco-friendly fashion and contribute positively to our planet. As the story continues to unfold, let the fluid transitions, the enchanting text recitals, and the harmonious soundtrack, combined with an alluring color palette, draw you further into this mesmerizing realm of sustainable fashion. So come, let's together cast a compelling charm on viewers and lead a revolution in fashion sustainability.